Suba. Pass to Likayan. Likayan drive. Back to Suba. Suba for the rebound. Change favor. Felix. Sumakto pa yung pasa. Likayan dribble the ball. Blocking foul by Felix. Jersey number 11, second personal foul. Substitution. 13 foul. Sanchez, paso Likayan. Paso Robles. Sanchez jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Mobilia. Mobilia crossover. Malakas. Di dulo, Tuliles. 3 seconds. Good Jan, good. Nakuha na di dulo. Foul by Liles for 3. No good. Rebound by Pantola. Put back. No good. Rebound by Robles. Ayan na. Paso Likayan. Likayan for 3. No good. Kiambao. Paso di dulo. Paso Mobilia. Likayan. Paso Suba. Sanchez. Sanchez spin. Sanchez jumper. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Robles for 3. No good. Rebound by Pantola. Paso Liles. Paso di dulo. Carlos dribble the ball. Carlos for 3. No good. Di dulo to Pantola. To Mobilia. Mobilia for 3. Wala. Rebound by Carlos. Paso Likayan. Suba. Paso Robles. Robles for 3. Bang! Di dulo to Pantola. Pantola to Kiambao for 3. No good. Suba. Paso Robles. Paso Sanchez. Sanchez jumper is good. Change favor na po. Dito na ito Kiambao for 3. No good pa rin. Save by Mobilia. Paso dito no. Paso Kiambao to Likayan jumper is good. Narciso. Paso back to Narciso. Narciso for 3. No good. Rebound by Directo. Paso Ferrer. Paso Robles. Back to Ferrer. Paso Merito. Favorite shot. Huwag mo munang lista. Narciso. Mobilia for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ferrer. Paso Robles. Intercept. Ayan na, Mobilia. Nice defense by Ferrer. Puse, step back. Mobilia. Magic siya. Likayan, paso Directo. Paso Robles. Same ball, 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Good, still. Jose, for 3. Wala. Jose pa rin. Step back for 3. Wala talaga. Binaklibol na Jose. Last 2 minutes remaining. Ferrer to Robles. Yeah, same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Robles for 3. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Likayan for 3. Jose. Paso Liles, back to Jose. Back to Liles. Liles for 3. In and out. Ibang by Merito. Paso Likayan. Likayan for 3. No good. Directo. Good for 2. Last 40 seconds remaining.
Ano nangyari pa nung ano bakit? Nung 8-0. Sabay laglag.
10 seconds to shoot. Mobile for 3. No good. Rebound by Merito. Paso Likayan. Ayan na, Likayan. Likayan layup is good. Last 20 seconds remaining. Liles. Good for 2 by Liles. 10 seconds remaining. Down to 5. Merito. Estola. Directo. Munti ka nung sumobra sa board. Kiambao, nakamadali, may lakad na naman. Pinasa kay Felix. Para sa grocery. Oh. 1 turnover. 2 steal, 1 turnover. Paso Ferrer, paso Directo. Directo. Wala. Pass back again. Wala. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Stola. Paso Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. No good. Foul. Foul ka dyan. 7 is missed. Felix. Paso Pandola. Back to Felix. Paso Kiambao. Lakan nilaw. Kiambao. 9 to shoot. Good job. Nice defense. Estolas dribble the ball. Estolas drive. Paso Directo. Wala pa rin. Directo na naman.
Yan. Yung palo.
Mobilya for 3. Air ball. Rebound by Liles. Liles jumper. Air ball. Good for 2 by Estolas for 3. Oh, may lakad na naman. Pati si Paulo hinahanap. 3. Wala. Rebound by Mobilla. Pass break to Felix. Nag-isa. Felix. Easy basket. Ferrer to Estolas. Pass to Directo. Gandang pass naman. Merito. Good for 2 by Merito. Nice assist by Directo.
Chemistry yun ah.
Felix. Pass to Pantola. Pantola jumper. In and out. Rebound by Merito. Pass to Estolas. Second turnover by Estolas.
Bilang na bilang ah.
Tola for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Estolas. One rebound. Ferrer to Directo. Directo. Foul by jersey number 3. Estolas for 3. Bam! Back to back 3-point shot by Estolas. Felix. Paso Mobilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasok yung bow. Yung bow. Ambay talaga ni yung bow. Pantola drive. Pantola. Gandang pasa naman. 3 seconds. Yang bawa to Mobilla. Pantola may kasamang sigaw. Wala. Jump ball. Mobilla. Then to shoot. Estolas to Estolas. Paso Sanchez. Sanchez. Foul. Persyari.
Ay, wala ba?
Second is miss. Rebound by Titulo. Ayun na, Titulo. Nakamadali. May lakad din. Titulo.
Walang foul. Kita na. Kita lang. Hindi nakikita.
Hindi madiliwanag kasi nasilaw.
Tulo.
Sanchez for 3. Bang! Titulo ba, bawi? Bang! Yun, nakabawi. Estolas to Suba. Suba for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Titulo to Pantola. Back to Titulo. Pass to Felix. Felix for 3. Bang! Estolas. Pass to Sanchez.
Yan.
Carlos. Carlos. Back to Estolas. Pass to Suba. Suba drive. Wala. Titulo. Pass break to Yambao. Yambao. Kinaliwa pa. Good for Suba. Yambao. Into si Bailines. Into si Estolas. Paso Carlos. Carlos. Good for Suba. Carlos. Nice assist by Estolas. Titulo to Yambao. Back to Titulo. Gandang pasa naman. Pushing foul by jersey number. Yung free throws out shooting lang. Tsaka penalty. Liles. Pantola. Pantola drive. Foul by jersey number. Felix for 3. Wala. Liles. Malakas. Good for 2 by Pantola. Last 1 minute remaining. Felix. Gandang pasa naman.
Itinding.
Good job, good. Estolas, to Estolas. Estolas for 3. No good.
Ha?
Ibang may Gimbaw.
Matinding yun.
20 seconds remaining. Gimbaw all alone for 3. Wala talaga. Good job. That's 10 seconds remaining. Sanchez, good for 2 seconds. Basket. Likayang for 3. Puro backboard yung mga 3 points niya. Kuya Jose. Pasa Mobilya. Mobilya babawi. Wala. Ibang Barogues. Ferrer. Ayan na. Gandang pasa naman. Blind pass. Ito si Mike Ferrer. Paso Likayan. Fix. Likayan for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Rebound by. Rebound by Narciso. Pass to Jose. Pass to Mobilya. Back to Jose.
Langgana.
Narciso Big. Narciso for 3. Wala. Rebound by Directo. Intercept. Good for 2 by Narciso. O, nangati pa. Ferrer tuloy kayan. Back to Ferrer. Paso Robles. Paso Directo. Directo fake. 9 seconds to shoot. Likayan for 3. Wala. Rebound by Jose. Paso Mobilya. Mobilya drive. Mobilya jumper. No good. Rebound by Robles. Paso Directo. Directo jumper. Wala. Rebound by Mobilya. Jose to Mobilya. Mobilya umikot. In and out. Rebound by Sanchez. Paso Ferrer. Ferrer to Likayan. Likayan for 3. No good pa rin. Wala. Rebound by Directo. Paso Robles. Ayan na. Sanchez. Easy basket. Nice assist by Robles. Mobilya. 10 to shoot. Lakan nila ako favorite shot. Diba? Iyuyuko pa lang. Alam pa ng titira niya. Ferrer to Likayan. Likayan to Robles. Robles. Gandang pasa naman. Ferrer. Ay.
Magkagulay lang.
Ay, Directo. Madilim eh. O reserve yung time at reserve. Nabigay na yung bola. Jose for 3. Bang! Ferrer, dribble na mo. Paso Sanchez. Sanchez for 3. Wala.
Kita mo para sa tira ng talon.
Favorite shot. Good for 2 by Lakanilaw.
Para, bantay.
Directo. Paso Robles. Gandang pasa naman. Wala nga lang. Sa kanya pa rin. Wala talaga. Narciso. To Jose. Jose to Mobilya. Wala. Iwang by Directo. Paso Robles. Robles to Merito. Favorite shot. Lista mo na by Merito. Next assist by Robles.
Sino ka ba?
Titulo. Nakamadali. May lakad talaga. Pinasa kay Liles. 4-3. Pen!
Delikado ba ito mga to? Pag ganyan. Tapos din yun. Sabi.
Ferrer to Merito. Pass to Robles. Robles for 3. No good. Rebound by Merito. Last suspect yan. Robles for 3. Wala. Kiambao to Felix. Ferrer to Robles. Merito. Favorite shot. Wala. Kiambao. Tumulong siya. Ten to shoot. Merito. Pantola.
Malagas yung katawan nila.
Black. Kiambao pick. Paso Liles. Supal-pal ka dyan. Liles jumper. It's good. Estolas to Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. No, but rebound by Kiambao. Pass break to Pantola. Sakto yan. May asalo eh. Robles. Paso Merito. Suba.
Papasahan. Nice catch.
Supal-pal. Estolas for 3. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Robles. Good shot po by Robles. Pinuldoser na. Itulong. To Liles. Liles for 3. No good. Ibang by Robles. Paso Estonas. Suba to Ferrer. Ganda sa laksak naman no by Ferrer. Good for 2 by Ferrer. Nag-time out na kayo. Good for 2 by Kiambao. Estola. Kiambao. Malakas.
Ganda ng bit-bit eh. Kakanan ni Ryan. Kami naro niya.
Nakalaro niya.
Mobilya. Sobrang step na yun, Mobilya. Estolas. Intercept. Pantola. Mobilya. Wala. Narciso. Ang bait mo, Narciso. Foul ka dyan. Carlos for 3. Wala. Rebound by Merito. Merito to Suba. 3 seconds violation. Pantola. Batulan. Wala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Robles for 3. Estolas to Ferrer. Pass to Carlos. Carlos for 3. Wala. Sanchez. Good for 2. Pass break na naman. Kiambao. Narciso. Nakalilaw. Favorite shot. Estolas to Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. Bang!
What is
Yambao. Airball. Liles for 3. Airball. 10 to shoot.
No.
Nice. Rebound by Carl. Ferrer for 3. Bam! Back to back 3 shot. Narciso tumobilya. Back to Narciso. Narciso babawi. Wala. Robles. Ferrer. 3 seconds violation. Break. Nice defense by Carlos. Estola to Sanchez. Traveling violation. Nice block by Estola. Good yan, nabitawan.
Did you have seen that yet?
Yambao. Liles. Ina. Limang by Sanchez.
Amazing.
Ang laking point guard naman yan. Oy, nakabiwit pa ng foul. Second shot.
Nahilo, no?
Pantola. Pantola for 3. Wala. Narciso to Liles. Liles for 3. Bang! Gandang pasa naman. Basket counted yan. Foul by jersey number 9. Yan, ang mamadala yan. May lakad din. Good point na may mobil. Sanchez, super point. Well, Liles. Nice block. Pass break. Yambao. Pinalagay, tumingin po. Good point to by Yambao. Lamang. Estola. Pass to Ferrer. Time to shoot. Ferrer. Airball.
I need this.
Wala.
I'm singing. Hey, can you play something?
Estolas. Gandang pasabit naman nun ba, Estolas?
Totoo yung sinasabi nila.
Second is good. Pantola. Felix. 10 to shoot. Gandang pasa naman. Wala nga lang. 4 versus 3. Robles for 3. Wala. Takbo, Jerome. Nice save. Behind the back pass. Liles. Wala. Iwamay niya rito. Paso Ferrer. Ferrer to Estola. Back to Ferrer. Patolan. Paso Felix. 10 to shoot. Liles. Wala. Rebound by Directo.
Oh, I don't. Today? Yeah. Are you staying on the mat?
Robles. Traveling. Felix. Dia berapa by Felix? Drive.
Telefoni has that.
Felix. Yambao. Mobilya for 3. Wala. Rebound by Enrico. Pass to Estola. Di makayo ko si Narciso. Liles. Liles jumper. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Robles. Di na tumalon.
Run. Pass.
It is in 44 seconds. Pantola. Pantola. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Enrico.
Oh no.
Estolas. Paso Robles. Paso Ferrer. Ferrer, pinali pa. Wala. 9 seconds to shoot. Foul by jersey number. First shot.
Nakakatayo na istorya.
Kiambao for 3. Slam! Pinakitaan si Agustin. Estolas.
I don't know what she's doing, but
10 to shoot.
she has 2 phones. The one lost.
Wala nga. Robles to Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. Wala pa rin. Direkto. Si Direkto. Good for 2 by Robles. Nice assist by Mengarito. Nice defense.
Lalim.
10 to shoot. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Robles for 3. Wala. Pass break. Pantola. Foul by second is missed. Iba pa yung rito. Pass to Estola.
She's getting close.
Still by Narcisa. Good for 2 by Narcisa.
That's 3. 3 points.
Estola. Wala. Pass break na naman. Tuba. Ten to shoot. Estola for 3. Wala.
Yeah. Yan. You guys could have.
Mobila for 3.
If they make it 4 points. Oh no.
Mobila.
Hey, graduate. Good job, Kyrie. Ask him where's Faith.
First shot.
Mine.
Mintis ng pangalawa. Rebound by Robles. Foul. First shot. Second is Smith. Mobila. Ayan na. Mobila, ang bilis. Ang bilis. Overspeeding. Traveling.
Oh my God.
Second is good. Split. Ayan na, Mobila. Mobila for 3. 20 seconds remaining.
Close.
Foul by Felix. Second is good by Balignas. 15 seconds remaining.
Keep them. Hi, nako.
10 seconds remaining. Second is good. Seconds remaining.
They're good.
5 seconds remaining.
Tira, grocery.